going to peel it.
Yeah.
This mark is traditional mark, or you have any meaning of this mark that you put on your face. I'm seeing, even this little girl, I'm seeing the same mark.
No traditional mark. They put it on their self. They like tattoo. They doing tattoo on the
like
skin.
it, so they just put it.
Yeah.
So just design their face.
Design their face.
Oh, okay. So we are on it now. We are peeling the banana. After that, we are coming to cook the traditional food. They scrape the first skin. After they peel the second skin. Yeah. I think it's for the thing not to be get dirty too much. That's why they are doing that. Look at it. Now. After that, they cut it like this. Cut it like this, little by little. The banana and the cocoa, we are washing it. This leaf is fem kumu.
Yeah.
They cook it and eat it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Ibika.
this is ibika. Ibika, they cook it, they eat it. This is the way they cook the traditional cook. They are going to put the ibika inside of the, also add the fengumu inside the bamboo. Inside the bamboo. After that, they will put the cocoa, banana. They will add it inside the bamboo. They will put it like this. This is the way we cook traditional food. After we finish putting all of the banana and the cocoa, we are going to eat it like this. Eat like this, so that the item will come down. After that, we are going to add the ibika and the fengumu inside of this again. Like this, the food will cook inside of this. So we are going to place the bamboo on the fire. On the fire like this. Yeah. This is another traditional way to cook. Look at this. This is the skin of the tree that we cut up. So we are going to put the ibika and the kumu inside of the skin of the tree. And we are going to cook it inside of the skin of the tree. So we are on it now, putting the food. It's like this. We put it like this. Like this. Yeah. After we squeeze it like this, we are going to use a knife.
Yeah.
So open like this. So open like this.
Only
Okay, it's turning like this. After that,
oh.
we are using this stick so that the thing will be closed for us to put it on the fire. So where we put the knife, we are going to use this stick inside of the place like this. You see, it's already closed. So we are going to do the same thing for this again. Yeah, we have already put the ibika and kumu inside the skin of the tree. We are going to put this on the fire and allow it to cook. We are going to place it on the fire and allow it to cook. The food item is inside of this. All of the food items, as you can see. The food is already cooked. Already cooked. Everything is cooked. Everything is cooked inside. See, the food is already finished. We are taking it out of the bamboo stick.
Yes.
Already cooked the food. The food is already cooked. Already cooked. So we are finished. Traditional cook is finished. So you see out of it. Okay, this is the three skin. Already cooked. The food is ready. Look at the food. Look at it. We are going to cook. It's ready to eat. It's ready to eat. Very delicious. Grandma is dancing. Grandma is dancing. Grandma is dancing. Grandma